Hey everybody, Joe Joseph here for thedailysheeple.com, and this is your news shot. And I have some great news, everybody, for those that live in the state of Colorado and any other legal state. According to the Grand Junction, Colorado Daily Sentinel, a recent court decision says that scent is not enough for a car search. Because pot's legal in the state, smell, they say, doesn't constitute cause. Oh, now this is good. It says the indication by a drug-sniffing police dog to the presence of controlled substances in a vehicle by itself is not enough to constitute probable cause for police to search that vehicle, so says the Colorado Court of Appeals on Thursday. In a precedent-setting case involving a Moffat County resident, a three-judge panel agreed that a police officer needs more cause to search a vehicle without permission from its owner. And that, my friends, is because marijuana is legal in the state of Colorado. This is what the judges wrote, quote, because Amendment 64 legalized possession for personal use of 1 ounce or less of marijuana by persons 21 years of age or older in Colorado, it is no longer accurate to say, at least as a matter of state law, that an alert by a dog which can detect marijuana, but not specific amounts, can reveal only the presence of contraband. Judge Daniel Daly wrote in the ruling, which was joined by Judges Michael Berger and Jerry Jones. They continue to say a dog sniff could result in an alert with respect to someone or something for which, under Colorado law, a person has legitimate expectation of privacy. They said because a dog sniff of a vehicle could infringe upon a legitimate expectation of privacy solely under state law, that dog sniff should now be considered a search for purposes of the amendment where the occupants are 21 years or older. So now a drug-sniffing dog can't go up to the car and say, "Roof, roof." And it makes it even more challenging now because normally what they do with drug-sniffing dogs is they don't go and say, well, you know, Rover, you're going to be a marijuana-sniffing dog. And you, Benji, you're going to be a methamphetamine-sniffing dog. No, they typically train canines to detect your cocaine, your heroin, your ecstasy, your methamphetamines, and your marijuana. Basically, you're given that bloodhound or your German Shepherd, whoever it is that, you know, whatever dog you have, they do it across the spectrum. It's not like they pick and choose, or this dog is really good at smelling ecstasy, so that's where he's at. That's not how it works. So this is a huge win for anybody that lives in a legal state. And I would also challenge to say that this probably would go and set precedent even in states where there's medicinal marijuana. I mean, this is a huge, huge thing that's happened in the state of Colorado, and it's one that people can use as precedent if you are the victim of an unconstitutional search by your local police. And we see them all the time, you know, all of these checkpoints that are clearly unconstitutional and violate the Fourth Amendment. You know, here we go. People just giving their rights away, you know, showing your license and taking part in these things. You know, we shouldn't be putting up with this stuff. And certainly not because it's making us safer. It most certainly is not making us safer. You know what's making us safer? People are smarter. Really, I mean, if you think about it, you know, this internet, the whole thing has really opened up knowledge to people, and a lot of people are taking advantage of it. People are smarter, and they're educating themselves as to what their rights are. And as a result, I would hope that we'd see a lot more pushback. I see a lot more awareness, but I really don't see pushback on a scale to where, you know, you see people handing out pocket constitutions at police checkpoints. But hey, maybe one day, you never know. I'm Joe Joseph. This was thedailysheeple.com's News Shot. Feel free to comment below and visit our website at thedailysheeple.com. Have a great day, everybody.